With inflation prices today, bake your own banana bread. Don't waste food. If you can't eat them, freeze them. Bad to the bone. Make sure the frozen bananas are completely thawed and at room temperature. Half a cup almond milk, 2/3 of a cup unsalted butter. Use a mix master if you have one. I was lazy and I didn't want to get mine out. Why am I doing this? Why would I put myself through that? Add the eggs in. 1.5 teaspoons vanilla. 3 mashed bananas. Jeez. A pinch of salt, not a punch. Half a cup white sugar. Half a cup brown sugar. 2 2/3 cup flour. Jeez. Oh, blinded me. Baking soda, baking powder, 1 teaspoon of each. 2 scoops of your favorite banana protein powder. 3/4 of a cup chopped walnuts. Oh. So heavy. Whew. I don't know what I was thinking not using this first. I was lazy, I didn't want to get out of the cabinet. Now I gotta wash 2 bowls, so I did it to myself. Pause for a second and make sure you get everything off the sides. Another quick little stir.
Please also do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe and share to the channel. That way we can keep on growing the channel and you'll be able to enjoy more great recipes and cook right alongside with me. Okay, we're gonna place in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes and then take a toothpick and insert to the center of your banana bread. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's cooked and ready to go. If it comes out a little bit wet, like you're gonna see here, it's gotta go back in the oven. So this took approximately 1 hour to cook at 350 degrees.
Looks beautiful. Whoa. Banana bread's so easy, it only took a few ingredients to make. I even added in banana protein powder. It's still warm. That's how great this is gonna be. Ooh, hot, not warm, hot, ooh, hot. Boom! That banana bread is delicious. Wow. Ooh, this is fantastic. Yep. This is fantastic. Wow. Can you see how moist that is? Because I used some brown sugar in there. It's just, this is fantastic banana bread. You can make your own banana bread at home. Never throw away bananas. If they're overripe, make the banana bread right away or pop them in the freezer. That way you can make the banana bread whenever you have the time. Boom. Have some more. So good.